Hey there, fellow car nerds. Thanks for tuning in to MG Guy Vintage Vehicles. Greg here again with another 10 kit cars and replica vehicles available for sale across North America this week. There may be blemishes on these vehicles, but that's okay. It's all about getting behind the wheel and going for a cruise in a car you love, not impressing the purists at the car show. Links for each of these vehicles are included in the video description below. Alright, let's go with today's vehicles for sale. Okay, let's get started with this 1958 Ferrari 250 replica, listed for $55,000 US in Hillsboro, Oregon. It's been driven 3,000 miles and has a manual transmission, also listed in excellent condition and from the seller's description. Hand-built epoxy fiberglass body, custom chassis, 350 Chevy, T10 4-speed, disc brakes, coilovers, knockoff wire wheels. And up next we have this 1978 Sebring, listed for $17,000 US in Boca Raton, Florida. It has a manual transmission and from the seller's description. Kit car, fiberglass over a 1968 VW Carmen Ghia 1600cc engine and chassis, taking offers. Alright, here we have a 1935 Mercedes-Benz 500K replica, listed for $68,000 US in Antioch, California. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description. One-of-a-kind 1935 Mercedes-Benz 500K has only 39,000 miles, V8 engine. Okay, from one of my all-time favorite bands, here we have a 1934 Ford ZZ Top Eliminator replica, listed for $30,000 US in Terryville, Connecticut. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description. CMC kit car from 1993, fresh 302 Ford roller motor, AOD trans with low car shifter, currently registered and insured in Connecticut, needs some TLC. And here we have a 1967 Austin Healey 3000 replica, listed for $31,500 US in Maryville, Tennessee. It's been driven 1,600 miles and has an automatic transmission. From the seller's description. 1967 Austin Healey 3000 replica, 302 V8 with Edelbrock AVS2 carb, stainless headers and a dual Flowmaster Super 40 exhaust with X-Pipe crossover, power steering, power brakes, Tennessee title.
Hey everyone, I just want to interject for about 30 seconds here. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Alright, let's get back to the vehicles.
Alright, here we have a 1968 Fiberfab Jamaican, listed for $18,000 US in Portsmouth, Rhode Island. It's been driven 50,000 miles, has an automatic transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description. 1968 Fiberfab Jamaican, 355 Chevy V8, 4-speed M22 trans, 4-wheel disc brakes, blinkers and lights all functional. I have the hood. Interior needs some work. Factory Fiberfab square tube frame. Okay, here we have a 1929 Ford Model A Shea reproduction, listed for $17,500 US in Sandy Springs, Oklahoma. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description: beautiful reproduction car, runs and drives wonderfully, make me a reasonable offer. Alright, here is a DF Goblin, listed for $16,000 US in Prosper, Texas. Its condition is listed as new, and from the seller's description: DF Goblin 2-liter supercharged kit out of a 2006 Cobalt SS. Alright, this one is a project, a 1993 Chevrolet Camaro with a body kit. It is listed for $13,000 Canadian in Toronto, Ontario, driven 80,000 kilometers, has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description: 1993 Camaro Z28 with custom fiberglass body kit, 1957 Chevrolet style, missing motor and transmission, an excellent base for those looking for a unique project with great potential. And bringing up the rear today, we have this 1952 MGTD Duchess replica, listed for $11,900 US in Liverpool, Texas. It is a manual transmission, and from the seller's description: 1952 MGTD Duchess replica by Classic Roadsters Limited, built on a Volkswagen frame and drivetrain, 4-cylinder rear engine, manual transmission, headlights and interior lights are working, brand new engine, the interior needs to be restored.
Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.